Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to my kitchen, where today we're diving into one of the most comforting and delicious dishes you can make at home. Today, I'm bringing you the ultimate comfort food stuffed baked potatoes. These are not just any baked potatoes, they are loaded with all the good stuff. Bacon, cheese, and chives. These bad boys are perfect for those nights when you want something simple yet incredibly satisfying. Whether it's a family dinner or a solo treat, these stuffed baked potatoes will hit the spot. So, let's get cooking. First things first, you'll need some good-sized russet potatoes. These are ideal because they have a fluffy interior that's perfect for mashing and stuffing. Give them a nice scrub to remove any dirt and poke a few holes with a fork. This lets the steam escape and prevents them from bursting in the oven. Pop them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about an hour, or until they're tender when you squeeze them. This is the perfect time to get everything else ready. Trust me, patience is key here. The longer they bake, the fluffier they get inside. While the potatoes are baking, let's work on the stuffing. This is where the magic happens. Grab some smoky bacon and cut it into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the more evenly they'll cook. Fry it up in a pan until it's crispy and golden brown. This will add a wonderful crunch to our potatoes. The smell alone is enough to make your mouth water. There's nothing quite like the aroma of frying bacon. Once it's done, set the bacon aside on a paper towel to drain the excess fat. And resist the urge to snack on it, you're gonna need it all for the stuffing. Next, it's all about the cheese. Cheese is what makes these potatoes so irresistibly gooey and delicious. I like to use a sharp cheddar, it has that perfect melt and tanginess. You can also mix in some mozzarella for extra stretchiness. Grate about a cup of it and keep it handy. You'll want it ready to go when the potatoes come out of the oven. And don't forget the chives. These little green gems add a burst of freshness and a mild onion flavor. Finely chop a handful. They'll add a fresh oniony kick to our potatoes. Plus, they make the dish look vibrant and appetizing. Alright, the potatoes should be done by now. They should be tender and ready to be transformed into something amazing. Carefully take them out of the oven and let them cool just enough so you can handle them. You don't want to burn your hands. Then, slice them in half lengthwise and gently scoop out the insides, leaving a thin layer of potato to keep the skin sturdy. This is where we'll add our delicious filling. Don't throw away the scooped out potato. We're gonna use it. It's the base for our creamy filling. Mash the scooped out potato with a good dollop of butter, some sour cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This will make the filling rich and flavorful. Make it creamy and smooth. The smoother the filling, the better it will meld with the cheese and bacon. Now, stir in most of the crispy bacon, grated cheese, and chopped chives. This is where all the flavors come together. Save a little bit of each for topping later. These will add a nice finishing touch. Stuff the potato skins with this glorious mixture, packing it in nice and full. You want every bite to be loaded with flavor. Sprinkle the remaining bacon, cheese, and chives on top. This will make them look and taste even better. Now, back into the oven they go at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, just until the cheese is melted and bubbly. This final bake brings everything together, and there you have it, stuffed baked potatoes, done to perfection. They're ready to be devoured. They're crispy on the outside, creamy and cheesy on the inside with that irresistible bacon crunch. Every bite is a delight, perfect for a cozy night in or a gathering with friends. These stuffed baked potatoes are sure to impress. Give these a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, happy cooking. Cheers! Enjoy your delicious stuffed baked potatoes.